Today I'll show you how to add ChatGPT to Google Docs, or at least get as close as possible since there isn't an official one-click integration yet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know a few practical ways to bring ChatGPT's features into your documents so you can write, edit, and brainstorm more efficiently. Let's start with the most seamless option, which is using a browser extension that supports ChatGPT. This approach works best if you regularly use Google Docs in a desktop browser like Chrome, Edge, or Brave. In your browser, head over to the official extension store and search for a ChatGPT-related extension that mentions working inside web pages or text fields. You'll see a variety of tools that let you call ChatGPT from a sidebar or a small pop-up while you're on any website, including Google Docs. Once you've found a reputable extension with good reviews and a clear privacy description, add it to your browser. Most of these tools will ask you to sign in with your ChatGPT account or paste in an API key, but avoid sharing any other sensitive information. After setup, open a Google Doc. You'll usually see a new icon in your toolbar, a floating button on the page, or a sidebar you can open. From there, you can type a prompt such as summarize this section or rewrite this paragraph more formally, and the extension will generate text using ChatGPT. You can then paste the generated text directly into your document or replace what you already have. This keeps you inside Google Docs the whole time, which is much smoother than constantly switching tabs. A useful tip here is to keep your prompts specific. For example, instead of just saying improve this, say shorten this paragraph to 2 sentences while keeping the main idea clear. This helps you get better, more relevant results for your document. If you don't want to install an extension or you're on a device where you can't, you can still use ChatGPT with Google Docs by manually copying and pasting. Open ChatGPT in one browser tab and your Google Doc in another. In ChatGPT, type your prompt, get the response, then select the text, copy it, and switch over to your document to paste it in. This method is simple, works on almost any device, and doesn't require any extra tools beyond your browser. To stay organized, you might create a section in your document where you paste raw responses first, then edit and move the final version into the main body of your work. That way, you keep a record of what ChatGPT generated and how you changed it. As always, read through and adjust the text to match your tone. Check for accuracy and make sure it fits the context of your document. Finally, some third-party add-ons built specifically for Google Docs offer AI writing features powered by models like ChatGPT. These aren't official Google tools, but you can find them in the Google Workspace Marketplace. From there, you can install an AI writing or productivity add-on that clearly states it integrates with Google Docs and uses an AI language model. After installation, you'll typically access it through the extensions menu in Docs. These add-ons often provide built-in options for things like drafting paragraphs, rewriting sentences, or summarizing selections directly inside your document. Just remember to review permissions carefully before installing and avoid granting access to anything that feels unnecessary for writing and editing. So, while there's no official Add ChatGPT button in Google Docs yet, you have 3 practical options. Use a browser extension that brings ChatGPT into the page, copy and paste responses manually, or rely on AI-powered add-ons that integrate similar features. Choose the method that fits your workflow and you'll be able to tap into ChatGPT's capabilities right inside your Google Docs.